Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Mint alternatives like Rocket Money app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Mint alternatives like the Rocket Money app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type Rocket Money into the search field. Look through the search results for the app with the same name. When you find it, tap on the app icon. You will see a button that either says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap this button to begin downloading the app. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use your Face ID or Touch ID. Once the app finishes downloading, the icon will appear on your home screen. Now, let's move on to Android devices. Open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter Rocket Money in the search field. Scroll through the results until you find the Rocket Money app. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. You'll notice a green Install button on this page. Press the Install button to download the app to your device. Accept any permissions the app requests to enable its full functionality. After the download is complete, the app will be available on your home screen. Now that you have Rocket Money installed, locate the app icon and tap it to open. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. You're now ready to explore the features of Rocket Money and manage your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.